Hi everyone, it's Lois Avellanet, and today I wanted to share with you a very special 3D card that I've been making for my niece, Madison. She's going to graduate from Texas State University, and the school colors are maroon and gold. So on this panel I have her name, Madison, with this inspirational quote here. And then on this side I used a stamp that has like a collage of different congratulations and best wishes, and you did it. And then this panel is class of 2019, and here we have here's to a bright future graduate, and I put some gold stars. Now watch what happens when I open the box. And the top here is decorated to look like a graduation cap, complete with tassel. Isn't that fun? This is called an explosion box because when you open it, everything explodes outward. So on this panel, I put congratulations, and this one says way to go, and I put some gold stars. And then in the center here, I have two envelopes. The tassel was worth the hassle, and you did it. And in one, I'm going to put a card, and in the other one, I'm going to put some cash. And then for the background on these papers here, I use the sequins embossing folder. And then here, mounted on the gold glimmer paper, I used the stamp from Beautiful You stamp set of this girl who looks like she is rejoicing in her accomplishments. So I colored her dress black to look like a graduation gown. And then on this part, I colored it to look like a dress in the maroon color. And then I put a little cap on her with a little tassel. And I just think that this is a great card to give to someone who's graduating from college or from high school. And here's the graduation cap again. And let me show you something else. So Texas State University chose their colors based off of the Indian blanket flower. And when I saw this flower on the website, I was like, oh, I can make one of these using the daisy punch. So what I did was I took some pineapple punch cardstock, punched out 3 of them, and then I took the Poppy Parade ink and colored the center and then moved outwards so that it looked like the coloring on the flower. And I used a faceted gem that I colored with the Poppy Parade Stampin' Blends marker. And then I offset the flowers so that I could see the petals from each layer. And then I curled them under and attach them to this flower stem with some hot glue, and I have this really cute flower that looks like the Indian blanket. I hope you enjoyed watching my video today. I had a lot of fun creating these 2 projects.
I'm not sure. Did you have to practice making this?
Nope.
No. You made that?
I did.
Oh my gosh. Tassel too. Okay, hang on. Okay.
Okay, so then turn it to where it says class of 2019.
Okay.
Okay, and then open it.
Open it. Oh, that's cool. This is a dancer. This is so cute. Did you come in? Let's see. Oh. It's like I have a children's book that's like this.
Excuse me. He's like, I'm done with that.
She's so down.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like this. Is this what it's like a dancer?
It is.
I like it.
Come here, Gino.
And then this is money. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it. And then does it just...
It's called an explosion card because when you open it, it explodes out, and then you can just put the top back on and it stays up.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How did you make the dancer person?
Do you know what Stampin' Up it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a rubber stamp.
What? How do you get
It's-
the different colors on it? Does it have
I
different
colored it with marker.
I love it. Thank you.
You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much. That's so thoughtful.